Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show how to implement a search filter in React hooks. So here I just have an input box and a list of countries where I can search the countries. So I'm going to use memo hook in React to do this. So this is the demo that we are going to build, and this is the demo UI that I built for this, which doesn't have any functionality. We will build our functionality in this screen. Let's go to the code and check how this is been. So we have the countries list that is coming from JSON. Usually you will get this from API, and I'm looping that JSON and rendering country list item, which has a flag, name, region, all those informations. So now we need to create a state to hold our input value. I'm going to use state hook for this. And by default the value will be empty. And we'll extract two things. One is the search and the function to update this search. Now we will use the search to actually update the value whenever user types in. For this we utilize this onChange callback event in React. On this event we will update the state. And we will also make this component a control component by passing the search to as a value for this. This is useful if you want to modify or you want to control the string that user is typing. So once this is done, let's move on to build our search functionality here. For this we will be computing the search, and we'll pass it inside use memo callback. So I'm going to use memo hook here, which accepts two parameters. First is the function, and the second one is the dependency array. So whenever the dependency array changes, this will be computed. Unless something changes, the computation will not happen on every re-render of this component. So that is a major performance problem in React. Without use memo, every time it will actually recompute the search logic. To avoid that, we are using use memo hook here. So inside this, if search is null or empty or undefined, I'm going to return the entire country list. Now I'm going to implement the search in it's normal JavaScript search thing. So we will actually check if the search string is available inside the country we were looping it. This will be filtered and it will be returned to the countries array. So here I'm going to use country.name. To make it case insensitive, I'm going to convert this to two lowercase. If you don't include this step, then this will act as a case sensitive search. By adding two lowercase to the country name, and the search string makes this case insensitive. So I'm going to check if it includes the search string. Search.to lowercase. So this is how this search will happen. So it will return to the countries. So whenever search or country list changes, this thing will compute. Now instead of countries list, we will map the country that we just returned at the top to render the countries. So let's go and check the output. So whenever I start typing the countries, you will be able to see the filtered result. So this is what we expected from the search filter in React. So it works according to our requirement. So if you want to add one more search to it, let's say if I want to search based on region also, the continent name, I'll show you how to add this piece of code where we can search based on name and the region. So you're going to copy this, and we are going to use OR condition here. So either this or that, whatever it matches, it will return, it will be filtered. So instead of country.name, I'm just going to change this to country.region, which holds the continent name. So that's it, guys. If you want to add one more condition, you just add one more OR condition over there. So if you search for a country, it will be searched based on country. If you want to search the region, let's say I type Asia, you will list all the countries of Asia. Even if a country name which has this Asia will be listed. So if you want to search Europe, you will see all the countries of Europe. So this is very easy and useful in React hooks, guys. Make use of it.
Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe for more videos like this.